dog. So my dog left her phone and her shirt at my cabin. Don't really know how that happened. It's been here for like an hour at this point and just hasn't came over and gotten it. So she's probably pooping her pants trying to find her phone, which I have. And then her shirt, she had to get aloe on. So yeah, and we're about to go rope climbing and then go to the water park and then zip lining. So yeah. So we made it to the water park and it's super fun. My braid is still one piece and my tan lines are still thriving. Sunburn line. I'm here with Gabe and my dad, and we're sitting here waiting to get our lunch.
Oh.
But it's like rounds after rounds.
Us women's.
That's it.
Hey, speaking of women's, give me my crawler.
Too close to the phone. Alright, let's walk and talk. So, let me just whip out the text message. We can really prove it to everyone. Stan says right here, E28, handicap. So, we're gonna go find cabin E28 and see if they look like weirdos. And if they do, then, that's... I ain't walking through that way. Hi. Welcome back. Do you know what that's from?
No.
You know
said that the other day. I was like, still
good
said
answer.
no.
You know the little diaries that you would press where you'd have to like say a password? Whoa.
Yes, I did.
It would always say, welcome back.
So, this comes with some cute stickers. And a chalkboard. And some chalk. And some Minion taffy.
Wait, I got Minion taffy too.
And 2 pixie sticks.
I got the cool car. So we have a truck, actually not a car, some faulty labels. You can open for you. Looks like we have some cool cars, some more pixie sticks. Why do they only like give out yellow?
And
Some
orange.
mini Palatina fruities, fruities, whatever.
Are you separating these? Because I don't think so.
Oh wait, well I had the orange one, but it's okay. And then some more Minion taffy. Don't just make it all shaky.
Put in the horse?
It's in the way of the vlog.
I was doing that on purpose.
So this is kids' day out.
What are you doing?
What do you think?
You can not.
We have one of them.
Okay.
Is that Gabriella? No, it is.
So, I don't really know what Gabriella is,
High
but
School Musical.
this is a ink pen. You roll it on you. And then it comes with stickers, again, some Star Wars taffy, and coloring activity book, plus it comes with stickers.
Anything you guys
Do what?
show what's in there.
We are.
Oh, well, she pointed it at you.
So we have the girls' day out, which is my personal favorite. Got some bling in here. We got this fun little peace sign purse. 2 pixie sticks. And a fun glove. So this should be really fun. Product.
I like this.
Nice.
Can't really sell it.
That's pretty good.
How does it work?
What do you think it is?
So the stamps are not turning out too well. They don't work. So
Maybe it's because it's on skin.
no. That's poop right there.
No, you
You didn't get in the vlog.
didn't get in the vlog.
Put it in the vlog.
No, don't put it in the vlog. No one watched this, Mom.
Nobody said anything. It's not vulgar.
It's not.
And open up the pouch.
I did. There's a nice array of a 2x2 inside. That you could fit.
Or any of this yet.
No, we have not.
Okay.
Had the orange pixie stick. This is awful.
Look.
Oh, combatants.
Special menu.
It tastes like medicine.
Just for the
No, it's sour. This is more sour than our sour vlog.
Ah,
That's
I wonder if
it.
they get you drinks.
Mm-hmm. I bet.
Give yourself a chance, girlfriend. Ugly stick.
Oh, you're using Dave's.
So, Mom, what did we just do?
Little tie-dye.
We did some tie-dye action, and I finished my shirt, and it looks really good. And my mom supported me through the whole entire thing, even if she got a little mad at me at one point. But that's okay. We got through it, and
End result is great.
now this looks amazing. So.
Hi everyone, we're here with the whole entire family. We are at a place called Blacksmith Diner. Dinner. Oh, and that's okay. And we're ordering our food.
Very hot in here.
Yeah, it's like steaming in here, absolutely steaming.
Don't need the sweatshirt for
Yeah. Stan's had a few too many. We're about to order, and yeah, it's a really fancy place and expensive, so.
Like none there, so. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of arms.